Girl, what have I gotten myself into? I've been moving calmly, start no trouble with me. Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Hey, so hey boo, my phone look a little crooked. Hopefully it's not. Back here, back again. Guess what I'm doing? Yeah, another wig review, I know. Today we're gonna do a wig review on Hairvivi, I think that's how you say it. I love their packaging. I've been moving calmly, start no trouble with me. Yeah. So it originally came with the little bow. Ew, my hands look so nasty. Just so y'all know, this hand here looks like this because I got eczema. This is my pretty hand, this is my ugly hand. This ugly hand is why my hands always are ashy, because it looks like an old lady hand. I hate that. Okay, so anyways, this is from Hairvivi. Hey girl. Comes very, very, one of the best packagings that I've seen. Very cute packaging. Oh, that's cute. So if you did purchase this wig and don't like it, if it's unworn, unwashed, unaltered, undamaged, and within 7 days you can return the wig, that's lit, because a lot of companies be like, sis, you keeping it whether you like it or not. So I like that about them. Thanks. That's great customer service, baby. Great customer service. Just so you know, the lashes that I have on will be linked below because I know people are going to be asking me about them. These lashes are from, I think her name is Glaze Galore. Love these so much. Bro, I wore these to work yesterday with no makeup on. And I never wear makeup at work just because I'm not trying to attract attention to myself, because I feel like that's kind of weird. Like, I don't really want to, you know, what? So, and everybody was like, oh my God, Kia, oh my God, your lashes. And I'm like, I shouldn't have worn these to work. Because everybody loves them so much and they just drew attention to my face. And I was just popping. I've been buying Louis, I've been shopping type shit. So what comes in the packaging: wig caps, 2 clips by Tony and Guy. This is a good brand. This is lit, I'm not gonna lie. They got some nice stuff in here. And then they got a comb, a carbon comb at that. Not one of them cheap ass combs that's gonna melt. Carbon combs don't melt. Oh, they lit. And it got a little metal tip. And we got like a little card. Their packaging is off the chain. Like, for real, for real. So yeah, it just tells you how to take care of your wig. Wash her hair twice a week. Keep it clean. Blah, blah, blah. All that extra stuff that you should know, because you should do this to your regular hair. But if you don't, it's here. Girl, what have I gotten myself into? This wig is like really high quality. Like, I like, no disrespect or nothing like that, but I was not expecting this. Like, look at this. Bro, there's a bra strap in this to like adjust, to be like, to adjust it. Like, what kind of company is this? Thank you. So then there's 1, 2, 3, 4 combs, and then there's also this big ass comb in the back with an adjustable strap. Bro, what? And then it looks like the knots are definitely bleached on this. Wow, y'all just show out. Ow, sis. Okay, I forgot what I was even saying before I, you know, seeing this. I don't know why I put it on the smallest setting, knowing I have a really big head. Like, sis, you tried it. I feel like, oh wait, oh, it's one of these. Oh, okay, cool. All right, bet. Okay, yeah, I see where we going with this. I see what they did. Wait, hold on, sis. This hair, this wig is so high quality. I don't remember how long this is. It's got to be like 10 inches. Oh, yeah, bet. I'm not gonna lie. They got everybody else beat when it comes to the, I look crazy with this stuff on my eye. They have everybody else beat when it comes to the quality though. The quality, the hair quality, the wig quality, the packaging they get. I ain't seen no company yet that's topped them. Like, I'm really about to cry. This is fresh out the box. Literally fresh out. I didn't even straighten this wig. You got me speechless. I literally don't even have to style this. Like, what is this video? Literally, like. So this is exactly what I meant by the cut was off the chain, okay? I didn't cut any more of this. This is exactly how the wig came. Straight out the box, y'all, though. Like, I don't think y'all understand how lit that is. It sits perfect on my head. I just really wanted to give y'all a full view. Not just of me walking around, but like a full view. I love it. I'm going to do a little 1-2 on this side. Didn't straighten it. This is genuine shock right now.
And if you didn't know, spoolies are the best for your baby hair, sis. So, you know, I always gotta keep you in tune with the little wig hacks. I feel like I told you this, did I? Maybe I didn't. I don't know. But yeah, I don't always, but a lot of the time I do use spoolies on my baby hair. So try it and let me know how it goes. Okay, cool. And the pre-bleached knots actually make me want to like bleach all my knots. You know I never do. I'm super lazy, but it just looks so natural. Love it so much. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that, but I just need to emphasize just how lit this wig really is. So, before I forget to show y'all the hairline, this is how, excuse me, she's looking. I cannot believe this. Broken home, baby. Yeah, so definitely rate this wig. I definitely rate this wig a 100 out of 100. Like, I'm speechless. And I got like a few more videos that I gotta do today, but like I kind of want to just like not do those right now and keep this on. Long hair used to be my thing, but short hair is definitely like the move. What do you think? If you want to pick this wig up, what you need to hop straight onto it. The link and the description and everything is gonna be down below. Don't miss your beat, period, okay? This is where it's at. Come on. I tried to hurry up and do it before she run away. I'll see you on my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Snapchat, because I know you about to go over there and follow me on it. Hey, everything is at my Instagram is at Kheumani, Twitter at Kheumani, and Snapchat at Kheumani. Kheumani.